First step, let's flip it over and remove the 9 bottom screws. Next, we're going to gently pry off the bottom cover. Place that to the side. Alright, let's go ahead and disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Alright, let's start with the LVDS cable. Just simply remove the cable from the motherboard. Let's work our way down to the speakers. Let's simply remove the speakers from the motherboard. The keyboard ribbon, let's remove that from the motherboard. Touchpad ribbon. Right. Let's remove these 2 data cables. Now for the Wi-Fi card, there's 1 screw to remove. And then we can disconnect the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Alright, our next step is going to be to remove the screws from the motherboard. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws from the motherboard. Alright, there we go. And after that, we can go ahead and lift up and remove the motherboard. Let's go ahead and reinstall the motherboard. Lay it into the correct ports here, slide it in. And then just make sure all the other components are up and out of the way, all the other data ribbons and cables. Alright, let's go ahead and reinstall all the screws. Let's reconnect all the components again. Let's reconnect the Wi-Fi cord. Put that 1 screw in. Let's reconnect the 2 data cables. Next, we're going to go ahead and reconnect the touchpad cable. The keyboard, the touchpad ribbon, and the keyboard ribbon. The speakers, and then the LVDS cable. now we're going to go ahead and reconnect the battery to the motherboard. And now reconnect the bottom cover. Let's turn it around. Let's add some power to it. Open up the unit, power it on, verify that the motherboard was properly installed. As it's showing, you can go ahead and power off. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it around and reinsert those 9 bottom screws.